Okay, now we are trying to deploy the MongoDB ReplicaSet deployment. For that, we need to create an account at composer.io. I already have an account in composer.io. Then let's try to create the MongoDB ReplicaSet. First, we need to click the Add Deployment button, and then you can select MongoDB, and then you need to give a name. So let's give a name like Meteor package. Let's say Meteor PKG search. Okay, then we need to select the location. Since we are using DigitalOcean, so I think we can select New York 2. So that's the data center we're trying to use. Okay, and then let's wait a couple of seconds. So it will create the database for us. The behind the scene. Okay, now seems like everything seems perfect, and so it will be registering all the stuff behind the scene. So in this UI we have all the databases. We can get it from here. We can select the slow queries. We can select monitoring stuff here, and we can check the status of the backup from this list. And at the end we have all the settings. So settings are something like the price and what's the US size of the database, and there are some of the other actions you can do. So we don't cover these things in this tutorial, but you can always go through the documentation for that. Okay, and then I think our database has been provisioned. Let's check. Yeah, I think it's correct. So let's go back to databases and try. Okay, all right. Okay, so let's give it a name for our database. Right, let's get package search. Right. Okay, cool. So now first the first task we need to do is we need to create a user. So let's create a user called app, and we can give the password as password. So I think you need to give some secure password for the actual deployment, and then let's say add user. All right, and then we need another user for the oplog access. So let's create him as, let's say, oplog. All right, and we give the password as password, and we need to click this oplog access button, right? And we need it to be read only, and then let's add that user. Okay, all right, so we have all the users, and we can select the admin section, so we can get the ReplicaSet URL from here, and the Mongo console URL from here. And for this one, let's try to log it from the console, see whether we can get access to the DB or not. For that, let's take console. So give me a second for that. All right, I have the console here, and I can select this command. Can get the terminal. All right, I can paste this command, and then I need to give the actual username is app, and the password is password. Right, connecting to the database. Right, I have access to the MongoDB database, and it's ready. So I can check the status of the so I'm not authorized for the RSS. Now I can give something like db.eastmaster, and I can see all the status of the MongoDB ReplicaSet. So this is a master, and we have we have two hosts, two secondaries, and these are some other information. So now we have the MongoDB database and MongoDB ReplicaSet set up, so we are ready to go.